Greetings everyone. I am RTV, second MCA from M. Kumarasamy College of Engineering. First of all, I want to thank my mentor, Ms. S. Gayatri, Assistant Professor of MCA. Fire detection with precise location tracking and real-time alerts via IoT. This is my project title. In abstract, the project represents a real-time fire detection system that defines the presence of fire in predefined regions and monitor area using computer vision. I use a hair cascade-based fire detection model. The system utilizes a webcam feed to detect the fire patterns in 4 district zones A, B, C, D. Accurately localize a fire operation. Sustainable development goals. Introduction. Fire accidents pose a service threat to human lives, property and the environment, such as smoke alarms and heat detectors. Executing system. Traditional fire detection and alarm system have been widely used to identify a fire. Conventional fire alarm system, manual fire alarm systems. Drawbacks of executing system. High false alarm rates due to environment infrastructure. No precise location tracking, no real-time remote alert. Proposed system. In fire detection solution that combines computer vision with AI model and IoT-based real-time monitoring and alerting. It uses a hair cascade-based model to detect fire through a webcam feed, predefined zones A, B, C, D. For example, advantages. Real-time fire detection and monitoring. Detect fire instantly and propose real-time data for quick detection making. Precise location identification, small zone system requirements. Hardware. Processor. Intel i5 core processor, RAM 4 GB at least and then more. Hard disk 500 GB and more. Camera, webcam and PC. Software, OS, Windows OS. I use the PyCharm for IDE, language Python, application mobile application. App language core Java. Modules. I use the 5 modules, fire detection module, region location module, IoT communication module, mobile app module, alert management module. The fire detection module is core component of the system responsible for identifying fire in real time using computer vision techniques. I use the Python and OpenCV. This module uses the hair cascade classifier. Region location. Region location module plays a crucial role in mapping the detected fire to specific part of monitoring area. The specific zones A, B, C, D responding to the top left, top right, bottom right and bottom left. IoT communication module. This module is a bridge between Python and backend and remote server of our mobile application. This module, the bridge between the Python-based backend system and the remote server or mobile application. Mobile app module. It can be developed using Java and Android Studio. The user interface for receiving and displaying fire alerts in real time. It sends a HTTP request to server. The mobile app continuously checks for the update from the server. Alert management module. The alert management module is responsible for handling the notification logic of the system. This is the architecture diagram, and this is my screenshots. The IoT-based fire detection system with location identification is an advanced solution designed to detect a fire